A two-day meeting of the high-powered GST Council in Jaisalmer, attended by nearly all state finance ministers and headed by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Several important decisions were taken at the meet, but what ended up hitting headlines, particularly in social media, was the decision to take the humble popcorn in 3 slabs from 5% to 18%. Social media erupted with memes and humorous responses. With users joking about everything from tax slabs for drinking water to wondering how the various popcorn mixes will be taxed. The chatter in social media was such that even the finance minister took cognizance of the issue.
From the morning, there's a lot of speculation in the media. And as a result, there's a lot of speculation in the social media. अरे पॉपकॉर्न के ऊपर भी डाल रहे हैं टैक्स। मैं मीडिया से हाथ जोड़कर रिक्वेस्ट करती हूं, ये पूरे प्रेस मीट हम करते हैं हर जीएसटी काउंसिल के बाद। टैक्स ऐसे विषय है जिसमें बहुत लेयर्स होता है, कोई आंख बंद करके टैक्स लगाते भी नहीं है और आंख बंद करके हटाते भी नहीं है।
Another issue which caught the fancy of social media users was the increase in GST rate on sale of used cars. Social media pages exploded with angst over what everyone thought was injustice by the GST Council. There were reports that the council had decided to impose a tax on sale of used vehicles. Ultimately, it emerged that the tax was only for transactions between businesses and not individuals.
नया व्हीकल्स ईवी खरीदने में 5% है, am I right? 5%। पुराने ईवी व्हीकल्स खरीदने का विषय ही आया है। We want to promote EV. GST Council is in favor of EV. Nobody is stopping people from buying EV. मगर used EV खरीदने के समय एक व्यक्ति दूसरे व्यक्ति को सेल करेगा तो कोई नहीं है उसमें। The same thing as 5%. No GST. Sorry.
With the council deferring decisions on lowering the tax on life and health insurance premiums as well as levying tax on food delivery by app-based platforms, there have been some on social media who have criticized the council for making popcorn the headline decision in the meet. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.